Yes, all what we do here on the Crypto News channel is everything crypto. Talk about crypto opportunity, crypto jobs, opportunities in the blockchain ecosystem. These are things that we do on the channel. So if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching me again, I want to salute you guys. Okay. If you just found this video online and you're watching right now, I welcome you to this channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a project that I find insightful. Can I even say it's a project or a startup? Okay, so it is called Coinprofile. Coinprofile is it's a payment platform like a fintech exactly. So, but it's a fintech that is tailored towards the crypto industry in the sense that for those of you who have a wallet, you have a crypto wallet, you want to convert your money back to Naira, this is a nice platform to do that, okay? Because, unlike peer-to-peer where you have to uh, send your funds to the escrow account, and then from that escrow account, then you have to wait a couple of minutes for the buyer to actually respond to you and send your money. Sometimes the buyer does not even send the money to you, and there might be a kind of disconnect between the buyer and seller, or there may be disputes. There are several times where people need to fight dispute on Binance, and and this dispute can actually take a long time to get resolved. Okay, so you don't have to start looking at ratings like okay, how many ratings does this guy have and stuff like that. So this is just like a platform that you can trust, with your funds. All you need to do is, guys, avoid peer-to-peer on WhatsApp. If you know me quite well, even a crypto niche group on WhatsApp, I do not encourage peer-to-peer trading because it always hand in tears. All right. So now here's a platform that you guys can leverage. This is how it works. I'm going to show you how it works. You have to just send your USDT or whatever currency, cryptocurrency to the platform through your dashboard. Then you will be able to receive Naira like instantly into your bank account right there. Okay. Look at this now. Send and receive money from anywhere, any part of the world. Okay. Spend internationally with your USD card. For the USD card, I think they are actually working on this so that you can fund your card with crypto and spend it globally. That is really impressive. So you can earn up to 5% interest on your USD balance. So if you have USD balance on the platform, you can earn annual interest rate of 5% on your USDT balance, right? So that is really interesting. That is really exciting to me. And if you guys are aware of platforms like Luno some years back, okay, they work pretty much like Luno, okay, pretty much like Luno, but it is way better than Luno because they have a superior user interface and user experience, okay. The reason I'm saying this is because even if you encounter any issue whatsoever on the platform, the moment you send them a DM on Telegram, you get instant response on that. So let me go to my Telegram right now and search for what is it? Coinprofile. Okay, this is Coinprofile, as you can see. So once you have any issue, they respond like immediately. That is really a big plus to them in my own perspective. All right. So and aside that, they are being backed by Cello. Okay, they are being, they got into Y Combinator, and they are being backed by Flory Ventures and a couple of other venture capitalists are also interested in this startup. Okay, that shows that they have a good traction, and things are begins to take shape. And if you're watching this video right now, and maybe you are an investor and you want to invest into this startup, you can actually reach them on Telegram also. They're going to attend to you. Okay, so send, spend, and earn. Okay, send, spend, and earn. That's really interesting to me. Okay, that's really interesting to me. And the interface is not something that is so common. All right, I don't know, whoever built this interface did a fantastic job, to be honest with you. So here is a review. This is what people are saying about it. This guy David Nadwa. Okay, the new Coinprofile send flow feels like magic. Yeah. Using Coinprofile, I can send money from the UK to Nigeria in about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, that's impressive. So Coinprofile is an amazing service that has been available to me as Nigerian in the NFT space, allowing me to sell quickly without hassle. All right. So I used Coinprofile for the first time, and my transfer was so fast like a light. I think that is that. Let's see These are real individuals tweeting about Coinprofile. Okay, these are real individuals tweeting about Coinprofile. They didn't make this stuff up, right? So these are their Twitter addresses. Okay, in case you want to check them out on Twitter. Okay, so you can set up a 2FA on your devices, and they have a strict AML and KYC standard. Okay, and their support is always available 24/7. That I can guarantee that, because I've had real experience with them. So you can also go to their Twitter account if you like. You can check them out on Twitter at Coinprofile HQ. Yeah, on Twitter, Coinprofile HQ. Okay, so these guys are active. You can see like 23 hours ago, there was a tweet about them, some hours ago, so they are always active, like almost every day they tweet on their Twitter profile. So it's not like a dead startup or something, right? So in my next video tutorial, I'm going to deposit on the platform. Of course, I have an account right here. Okay, I have a deposit on the platform, and I'm going to use that US deposit and convert it to Naira and see how it works. Okay, so but this is like a review of the entire platform, and I want you to try it out. So if you enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment down below, and let me know what you think about Coinprofile. Probably if you've been using Coinprofile for a while now, and you want to share with us what your experiences are, on the platform. Let us know in the comment box. I'll be glad to read your perspective about the Coinprofile. So bye for now and have a great day.